What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, as most of you may have a problem like I do, I have a Camaro and we're expecting a baby. So can we actually fit a car seat in a Camaro? So let's find out. Multiple ways of installing a car seat. We're going to use a base because that's the best one you want to use in your primary car. So let me go grab the base. So the car seat I have here is the Appa Baby Mesa. It comes with a base with it, and you can see the base actually has these latches that come out, and the Camaro actually has hooks on the bottom that you can use to latch on. So let's install this. All right, so we're gonna press the button here. Latch one number out. Latch number two is out. Then you gotta find where this little symbol is. Yep, I can feel the hook down there. Yeah, I can feel it here too. So before we put the latches in, there's a symbol over here that tells us if this is balanced or not. So it should be in the green, and based on the default setting, it is not fully green. So there's an option here where I can press it and adjust this. So let's see. Yeah, perfect. Now it is adjusted. I'm gonna take the latch. I think it's actually easier if we do the left side first. So latch number one is in. You want to kind of use your finger and feel and know where the hook is. And it is flat and it is showing green. So once both the latches are in, you want to push it in and you're actually going to hear these locking in. At that point, you're going to notice this is now green. And you are all set. All right, now I got the car seat, so let's put it in. So now I got the car seat. Since this is for an infant, it's gonna be facing the back. And just like that, it is very easy to put in. And once you wanna take out, the baby sleeping, you know, you don't wanna disturb the baby, simply unlatch it. And you're gone with the baby. Now let's bring the seat back and make sure it doesn't hit the baby. Yep. Both the baby and the seat are secure. And there you go, guys. You can actually fit a car seat in a Camaro successfully.